Well, that one lasted long, didn't it? That was replaced before I near enough died, about 2017 time when it was extremely cold. Today it's extremely hot. It's 06:55 on Saturday the 21st of June 2025 for the 06:59 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham. Following this train, there should be maybe one more in day mode if we rotate it to 7 o'clock, but if we rotate it back to 7:30, then there should be at least another few, but we're not staying for that lot. It's the wee woos again this time, it's the other party. Where are they going then? Oh, straight across, of course it is. That'll be fun. We can't do fuck all though. Not much time between this and the next train either. What was it with the wee woos? The other day the wee woos at Bootham, this morning the wee woos here. I guess it's all going to go badly wrong later on when we get 32 degrees heat at 3 o'clock. At that point I don't know where I'll be. Today's an early start purely to get work done and get out of the heat, but I'm not then sending Xander back until 5:30 again, and at that point it'll be in 30. We're lucky it's only 16 degrees now. Right, train approaching. We've got maybe 3 minutes, the one after. And this one's taken 3 minutes anyway. On 7535. From Nottingham. I'll then change platforms and get blocked in by the London train before going to Grimsby in half an hour. Stupid Great Mong. Oh, 0700 hours, that should have woken up by now. For the 0704 Northern Train service from Sheffield. Plant engineer works today. Our Northern trains will start and terminate at Sheffield. Connections onwards can be made at Sheffield for Leeds via the Dearne Valley. E200 just gone out. After this, I need to make me move to the station. Even there's still over half an hour till Xander's arrives, but then I'll still be on there to connect straight across platform for our train out. We are running slightly behind, but what do we expect? He wanted to be on the 0508 off of Grimsby this morning. He's ended up on the 0642. and we're going from there. Don't really impact us onwards though, because it only puts us 20 minutes behind on the arrival into Newark anyway. Overall, we don't miss much, because the Azuma that we would be on would get us in for 07:56. We'll arrive instead at about 08:10, so we don't really miss anything. Not only the journey's going to cost £4.10. Where's this expensive rail? Come on, tell the truth. Number 11. Sheffield. That's that. I need to make a move. So see you next time.